Hello guys, in third tutorial I had taught you how to add a link, how to add colors in a HTML program. Today I will teach you how to add an image in the HTML program. Okay, how to add an image and change the alignment of the image. Okay, so here my program is already saved, and this is what I taught in the third lecture. Okay, up to this I completed third lecture. Now I have to add a picture. So for that I have to download a picture from Google. Wait, I am downloading picture of chocolate. Take any of the picture. Let I'm taking this picture. Save the file. Okay, now close Google. What extra thing you have to do is, for adding a picture, for adding an image, what you have to do, you have to use the tag imgsrc. Okay, imgsrc, that is equal to location of the file, where you have saved the file. You have to give the local location. So for getting the location, I will right click this thing. Now go to properties. Here you can see the location. Here it is the location. I'll copy this thing. Okay, now paste this thing here. One more thing you have to do, you have to add the name of the file. Here the name is download. Okay, I'll copy this thing, paste. One extra thing you have to do, what is the type of file? Here it is JFIF. Okay, .jfif. The extension of the file is .jfif. So in the program also I have to give here .jfif. So in the program also I have to give JFIF. Now let give the height, and if you want to change the dimensions also, then you can change the dimension by giving height. Let height equal to 300 pixels and width equal to 300 pixels. Okay, I'm giving a dimension of square. Okay, up to this fine. Okay, then this is over. I'm saving the file. Okay, I saved the file. Now I have to check the output. Here I forget to give the double quotation mark, so hence it was not showing the output. Okay, fine. Then now I will add one watermark. So how to give the watermark means, whenever I will point my pointer to the image, then it will show a name. You can see here, if I am taking my pointer to this image, it is not showing any name. But now I will change this. Nothing. How should I add a name then? Let I give the title of the image. Title of the image equal to chocolate. Then so now save the file. Check the output. See, there is no change at given chocolate, but you can see the change once you point your cursor to the image. You can see the name is chocolate. Okay, you can change anything. You can give your sweet also. Sweet, anything you want. Just save the file, refresh it, check. Okay, you can find it. So this was up to lecture 4. In further lecture I will teach you more about HTML, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.